Let's dive inside the TubeTrivia AI dashboard. On the left, you have a complete menu option, and on the top you have multiple options like upgrades, training, bonuses, and support. There are over 9 popular quiz video categories for anyone who doesn't want to type a word. Let's say you want to create a quiz on weight loss topic. Then you can add that topic or keyword by going inside custom option and start creating your quiz videos. But for demo purpose, let's say we want to create a video on general knowledge category. If you want to create multiple videos, switch the option on, or if not, then let's keep it off. Now select the number of questions you want in your video, let's say 5. Select the number of quiz questions templates. Let's keep it 3. Then, select the type of quiz questions, i.e., multiple choice questions or pick this or that type questions, and finally decide the level of difficulty as per your audience. Then hit the Generate button. Now you can see the 3 sets of quiz question templates are generated with AI. It is beautifully generated quiz questions with 3 options the correct answer. Now, you can go through each set of questions and select the quiz template you like. Once selected, hit the Next button to proceed further. Before we proceed to the step 2, we must select a video template. You can check there are both desktop and mobile video templates available inside TubeTrivia AI. Simply double-click and preview any template you want to see. You can navigate between the templates by clicking left or right arrow symbols. We have kept beautiful video template options, so you can create hundreds of videos without worrying about anything. Wow, there are so many colors designs to explore. Amazing, right? Well, after checking a few, I think I really like this one. Let's select this mobile video template and proceed to the next step. Now comes the step 2, where we will edit the video as per our requirements. You can check everything from the quiz questions template is automatically imported inside the video editor. You can explore all the features inside the video editor and start editing. Features like uploading videos, adding background music, adding images, generating AI images as per the mood, art style, and quality of the image. Adding elements like arrows, emoticons, subscribe now button, and many more elements to make your video interesting and engaging. Adding text as per your need. Then, editing the text for change of font size, boldness, and colors. You can edit all the questions, their options, and correct answer texts as per your need to make it more professional. See how easy it is to make all the changes within a few clicks. And the best part is everything is already imported inside the editor, so you don't have to copy-paste anything. That's really amazing, right? Not just that, you can adjust the timings of each question, their options, answers, audios, and all the elements inside the video as per your need, directly from the editor. Now let's add the voiceover. You can add the voiceover for each question one by one. Simply select the question from the drop-down menu. Then if you need, you can edit the text inside the box. Once edited, you can select the voiceover person and hit the Generate Speech with AI button. And within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready.
What is the largest ocean on Earth? Options are Atlantic, Pacific, Indian. The correct answer is Pacific.
Okay, that's very handy. Love it. Now let's make this video more interesting. Let's say I don't want a heading or title. Simply remove it. Let's make some quick text edits like font, color, size, weight, and alignments as per the need. Now let's add a relevant picture or image above each question. I simply upload the picture right from my computer and put it right above the question. Adjust the duration and timings of the image or any other element in the video by going inside the timing section of the editor. Replicate the similar changes for other questions before we export. And you can also add the intro and outro videos to make it more professional. Once all the edits are complete, you can submit the video for rendering. This will give you complete preview of the video while it renders. After it finishes the rendering, hit the Submit button to prepare the video for download. Now let's view the completely edited video.
Welcome to Trivia Today. How good is your general knowledge? Let's dive into these general knowledge questions. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Options are Atlantic, Pacific, Indian. The correct answer is Pacific. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? Options are Shakespeare, Hemingway, Twain. The correct answer is Shakespeare. Which is the closest planet to the Earth? Options are Mercury, Saturn, Venus. The correct answer is Venus. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Options are IR, UN, Fe. The correct answer is Fe. Which is the largest continent on Earth? Options are Africa, Asia, Europe. The correct answer is Asia. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Trivia Today.
Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please visit TubeTrivia AI.com.